Now that we've taken a look at child and starter themes, let's do a little review and discuss when we would want to use each type of theme and when we might not want to use either one. So first up here, when you're customizing an existing theme, you want to use a child theme. You want to take this approach whenever you have a current theme that you want to continue to be able to update and be supported and not have any changes you make to it overridden. So that's where the child theme comes in handy. Now, when you're building a site from scratch, chances are you're going to want to use a starter theme because it comes with a lot of the core and common files that you're going to need, and they often add in some extra sugar and functionality that is really helpful as well. So if you're building a theme from scratch, you're going to want to use a starter theme. Now, I also have to mention at this point that it is completely possible to start with no child theme or starter theme and build completely from scratch on your own, creating everything you need as you go. Now, there are some downsides to this, and that is if you don't really know what you're doing, you may leave out some important code that will prevent a plugin or something else from working properly. And in general, this approach can take a longer time to do since you're creating everything from scratch. But this is actually the approach we're going to take in the next section of this course. So although we've talked about child themes and starter themes, from here what we're going to do is start from complete scratch building everything on our own, and then you're going to be able to come back to this section on child and starter themes, and everything's going to make a lot more sense, and you're going to be really grateful that you don't have to do everything from scratch completely every single time. So, before proceeding to the next section, make sure that you understand child and starter themes and have played around a little with setting up each one, even if you don't take customizing too far at this point. In the next section, we're really going to learn about how to start customizing WordPress themes even further.